So the Asiatic lion, what we are seeing here, so again it is a species which is protected under the species recovery program of the central government. Okay, so this program is being implemented by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So under that program, Asiatic lion is also protected. We have already discussed about Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So in case of confusion, you can watch our class video pertaining to the same. So under Wildlife Protection Act 1972, it is classified under Schedule 1. Schedule 1. Similarly, we have already discussed about IUCN Red List, International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. So under this list, it has been classified under endangered category. Next, coming to CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Flora and Fauna. So it is listed under Appendix 1. Again, we have discussed about CITES as well. So you can watch that video pertaining to CITES. So where do we find? We find it in Gar forest. So Asiatic lion are found in Gar forest in the state of Gujarat. So a dry deciduous forest in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. So Asiatic lions are found in the dry deciduous forest of in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. It is the abode of the last surviving population of the free-ranging Asiatic lions. A very important point to note. So in the whole world, throughout the world, the only place where we can find the Asiatic lion naturally is Gar. Okay, Gar in Gujarat. A very important point to note. Next, its distribution range, it is spread across 3 districts. So within Gujarat, so they are distributed across 3 districts. So Junagadh, Amreli and Bhavnagar. Next, coming to the protected areas. So in which areas do we find Asiatic lion? We find the Asiatic lion in Gar National Park, in Gar Wildlife Sanctuary and also in Mithial Wildlife Sanctuary. So all these protected areas, that is Gar National Park Sanctuary and Mithial Wildlife Sanctuary, they are located in the state of Gujarat. So here we can find the species of Asiatic lion. Again, a very important point to note. Okay, note. As per the 2005 census, the population is around 359. So hardly there are 359 to around 360 species which are surviving as per the 2005 census. Again, another important point to note is whether it is diurnal or it is nocturnal. So diurnal indicates it is active at daytime and nocturnal indicates it is active at night. But here Asiatic lion, it is both diurnal as well as nocturnal. It is active during day as well as it is active during night. But predominantly it is active during day. It is diurnal. Okay. But also it is active at the night as well. So this was about an important species. That is Asiatic lion.